How's it going, everybody? It's basically over, guys. And I wonder if at the end of this pretty cool, powerful, and devastating month, because a lot of people are enjoying the weekend, of course. Soon to be weekend. I mean, if you're in Asia already, my friends in Singapore or in Europe, it's already the weekend for you guys. Yeah. Welcome, November. Welcome, everybody. Pump. Are we gonna see a Moonvember, guys? We'll get to see that in just a moment, guys. We'll get to see that soon with the sound of my voice and your comments and questions. That's how we're gonna do it today. I am so excited to have the fam here for sure. Always, immediately, it seems that YouTube notifications work today, which is really nice. What is the best way to end um, a one of the craziest months in crypto history? Well, with a live, everybody. Of course, Edwin says another live video for views, not real action. This guy. What's up, Oscar? Keep it clean so you do the. Yeah, I mean, it's not about what we say. It's about the title that YouTube is a complete just acting acting just unresponsibly and irresponsibly. So I mean, I think right now it's just we're doing better when it comes to that for sure. Thank you for asking. Appreciate it. Or was pumped over. I get it. I'm Charles in the house. Welcome. I get to see some other awesome moderators and members, right? For sure. You see that square? This guy right here? That is November. It's always really nice when we get to zoom out and you get to see that if my prediction as of today, the beginning of November, when you see the chart, when you see the current chart right now, this is July, guys. What has happened from July to the end of October? What has happened? You can take a look. I mean, it's clear to see. Doesn't take like a brain, doesn't take a genius to know that, huh? Well, I want to discuss that. We got BTCC in the house, and guess what? 2000 XRP November, guys. So the 3000 XRP October, it's has come to an end. There's gonna be one winner, and I'll tell you soon. But we continue giving money away. To people. So you guys, brand new start. If you wanted a chance to make money with BTCC, I'm inviting you to join us. Link down below. Sign up and start trading, guys. This is your chance. Just for Pumptober, we did 3,000. Now we're doing 2,000 XRP. So if you like our community, if you want to do this, you know, it's very easy. So, what do we have in the chat? Man, this is amazing. All right, Andy, that's obviously a lie. So guess what? Guess what happens to liars? Have a good one. Charles, we need a great pump. You always do the best to pull everybody together. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that a lot. Love it, brother. Thank you. You come here. I mean, hating, I like it. I mean, that's fine. Haters, they help me because the haters watch me closer. I love the haters. We got to put in a show. But when you lie, that's it. Nothing else you could do. What's up, Plush? Oscar be playing us the play-by-play. Hey, Oscar, don't know what is that? Oscar, don't know what to think anymore. This has been a roller coaster. Well, I mean, just take a look out the window. Is this the greatest year so far for like the economy in the U.S.? And it's all about, you know, perspective. The world in the United States right now, in a few more hours, what's going to happen to SNAP recipients, SNAP people, right? You think that, I mean, guys, what are 42 million people in the United States thinking right now? Oh, I need to buy XRP or I need to eat. Guys, it's okay. I mean, it's not okay. I mean, I'm not trying to say that's okay. What I'm trying to say is like they're not gonna buy crypto right now. They're not gonna buy crypto right now. They're not gonna be like, oh, dude, I'm gonna buy crypto so crypto holders don't cry or don't get mad at because we have crashes and corrections. Guys, they're not gonna buy crypto right now. Retail is not buying crypto right now. Who is buying crypto instead of food? You, 400 people watching me. We guys are the 1%. We are talking about buying crypto when other people are talking about surviving. Surviving, fam. We gotta get the shutdown, of course, done, over. How confidence and trust and getting back to normal. How many layoffs so far, too? You think those layoffs, think the people losing their jobs are thinking, oh, I gotta buy more XRP, or I gotta pay rent, gotta pay gas, I gotta find somewhere to live, buy food. For the people that have money, it's a great year. For the people that have money, for the people that are rich, for the people that are six figures or so, upper middle class, high class, it's good. It's good for you. You're not suffering. You're fine. You're investing. You're putting money aside. You're making money. But for the millions of people that are literally scrapping the last dime, they're not thinking about Dogecoin or Shiba Inu or Bitcoin, let alone XRP. They're not. So, with that being said, what's our role right now? Well, my role is I am going to be patient and continue accumulating. Somebody said crypto is better than food. Can't believe it, bro. Love you, fam. Welcome. We are starting pretty strong, keeping it real, ending one of the most devastating months in crypto history. Happens to be this one. We are going to experience the longest shutdown in history. Oh, yes, we are. Yes, we are. And guess when it's going to happen? This coming week. This coming week. If you have money, you are not suffering. If you don't have money, it's a really tough time. You guys, some of you are doing well. And I'm grateful. Praise God. No, yeah, I mean, it's been amazing so far as provision, right? Provision. So, but you have to understand, everybody, that crypto people, we are very fortunate, saying, "Oh, I only have $2,000 to invest this week." That's a lot of money, bro. I mean, so the reason why I'm showing this chart and the reason why we're having this conversation too is because it doesn't feel like millions and millions are thinking about, of course, crypto or buying altcoins, right? Because one, it's easier for them to get into crypto. Crypto.com, Coinbase, Robinhood. These are free apps. All they have to do is deposit money and buy crypto. But what are we not seeing that? Because they're not thinking about it. Because there's been two sides of the agenda, right? The one that Trump is involved in crypto, and guess what? They don't want to do crypto because Trump is involved in crypto. Have you thought about that? We love that Trump is, well, some of us love that Trump is involved in crypto because we know that he's bringing companies, he's bringing money, he's bringing pumps. But by the same token, he's bringing dumps, he's bringing crash, he's bringing uncertainty. And to a lot of people that are not his supporters, he's bringing, oh, Trump is doing crypto, I'm not going to do crypto. It's just it's the price that we have to pay. Right? So I like it. I think at some point, of course, sometime, when during the summer and before getting the first cut, because we've been through the whole year 2025, a very tough one. Only a few people know what I'm talking about. I expected a better Q4 for sure. I'm not sure how this November is gonna be like, but the way I feel it is that I think we can do something crazy. The title of this video is XRP about to go crazy? ? About to, right? So I think so. We have everything. We should be going crazy for so many reasons. We should be going crazy. And why are we not going? Well, every time that we have one amazing story, to run, macro comes and shatters us. Macro. Now we are going through Papa Powell, Jerome Powell saying it's not sure that we're going to get a cut in December. So if we're not going to get a cut in December, I love this about the market. First, we get a cut. Nobody cares. It's like, whatever, we got a cut. Now, he's saying we're not probably, like, so far it's kind of far away, December, and everybody panics and they sell a bunch. You don't understand how this Wall Street, it's just nonsense, bro. What we need is, what we need? We need Powell out. That's what we need. We need Powell to move away. What's up, Andy? Welcome. Thank you so much, Andy, for the kind donation. I appreciate that a lot. Who do we have? Andy, and that's about it. I believe so. Yes. I agree, though. Who's talking about Kamala? You didn't want her as president. No one misses or cares about you. What's up, McFly? How many blood on the streets, though? I know, right? Ross Hutton in the house. What's up, Ross? Good to see you, brother. Welcome. Only one winning is rug pullers, including us, president. Once the black cloud Powell is out, we will. Amen, bro. Thing is that we had one governor. It was a Trump appointee, of course. What did he say? 50 basis points. And we had another governor at the FOMC. What did he say? No cut. So we had one for 50, we had one for 0, and the rest 25. So we got the 25. If we don't get a cut December, not good. Not good, because it's like, oh man, really? Only 50? Yeah, I mean, it's a tricky situation because inflation is sticky. If he keeps cutting, inflation is going to go up. And he doesn't want that. So I guess that we're going through a lot of things right now. It's not easy, for sure. That I gotta tell you. What do you think the first week of November should look like? Hey, what's up, buddy? Welcome. Happy to see you. The first week of December. Well, I'm putting this square on TradingView, guys, so you know. Can go either way, it can go either way. I don't think, let me just be honest with you. I don't think we're going to get another mega absolute destruction, liquidation event. I don't think so. Because that was because of China. Now we have a deal with China for 1 year, right? For 1 year, things are going to be steady, and China's going to be buying soybeans. So Trump's Asia trip was a success, complete success. Bringing billions and trillions totals. I mean, he's just winning, right? As far as international policy, foreign affairs, he's winning. He's doing really well. So congrats, Donald J. Trump. Congrats, brother. Like, awesome. Well done. Well done. Obviously, there's no perfect deal. There's no, oh man, he should have. Dude, you're going toe to toes with China, dude. I mean, not easy. So, good job. I mean, I think so. Oh, soybeans. Wait till the war pops up. Moonbember. Nothing has changed. I just buy and hold. What's up, Dangerous Dave in the house? Welcome. Sounds like Canada ain't cutting rates in December either. Just had to resign mortgage. 4.19 for 5 years. Just had 1.7. I see. Thank you for letting us know, bro. Thank you for letting us know. So, as long as we don't have any more conflicts with China, because there's no war problems with China, which is the best thing ever. I mean, just imagine, dude. Which I honestly, I'm just gonna leave it at that. I don't want to continue with that, right? I mean, but I'm so happy there's no any conflict beyond tariffs, right? Because I believe that the market has priced in the fact that Russia and the United States were still trying to solve this war, and the price is not fully collapsing down. I mean, we already priced in, right, which is good. I like that. That's another one, right? In the month of October, Zelensky came to the White House. In the month of October, September, I believe, was Alaska, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe September was, when Putin came to Alaska. So it's been month after month after month after month of all these macro events that I'm looking at, and I'm saying, okay, well. And throughout the last couple of months, we have how many great news from Ripple? I mean, I don't even know where to start, right? We got over like 20 XRP ETFs just waiting. We got Solana ETFs, Basket ETFs, Ethereum ETFs, Pengu ETFs, Trump ETFs, like HBAR ETFs, Ondo. I mean, everything. What's up, Andy? Thanks so much for the kind of donation. I appreciate it a lot. And welcome. Thank you, brother. We did it, Donald. So, if you're still buying and accumulating XRP, I think like many content creators say it, like Jake, of course, Levi, my friend Avi, my financial friend, and many more, right? That you know. I think you're very early and you're going to be putting yourself, your family, your portfolio in a really great position. I think so. Because right now in this place, it's not easy to make a prediction and say, oh, yeah, at this day or so, we're going to be $5. You know, I remember making that video at my workplace when I told you XRP $300. And I was like, wait, Oscar, what? $300? If you have Bitcoin's market cap, that'll be $36. But if you have gold's market cap, that is over $300 or something $100. It's a lot of money. Now, when you hear, you know, Tom Lee and Michael Saylor say, right, that we're gonna get to gold's market cap, that to me is, are you really? I mean, are you capping? Are you sure? Are you joking? When, right? And you still go ahead and hear that from them when they go to different interviews, right? So to me, it's okay then. I'll continue making videos for you guys. I'll continue bringing the content, the news, my juice. Literally, right? Because I always have some juice. Right now, it's just clear. I'm believing that November is going to be not as bloody. So for that square, we have the following. For that square, we got choices, right? Could we break the pattern that we created once, twice, 3 times? We haven't seen $3 XRP in. Yeah, I mean, for October, yes, but I mean, we haven't seen it in a while. So we have a chance to break $3 anytime. If we do, the whole price channel changes. The whole price channel. Because right now, the way this looks like, seems that we're going to come to the 220s, 230s again. This is the way. But it doesn't make any sense because it's November, right? Doesn't make any sense. What's up, Gerardo? Welcome. Remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it's a scam. Always have that. What's up, Duchess of Elements? It's always good to see you here. And welcome to the 600 people watching us today. Drop a like. Consider subscribing to the channel. Just a special one, you know. I think to me it's important to say hi to my community and also remind and give you a little bit of context and just give you some of me, guys, today, this night. Why? Well, because in a way, there's people that already gave up because of the 126 XRP that you see on the screen, because it happened. It actually happened, right? What I'm showing you on the screen is the price on Binance, but not perpetuals, not leverage. If you do this, XRP, and you come here to the perpetual contract price of XRP, instead of 126, you're going to see 119. But if you go to another pair, Binance to 77 cents. Meaning, on Binance, people got demolished. People got clapped very hard. People really got it on Binance. Now, if we come on Coinbase futures, guys, that doesn't look good. Let's go to XRP. What do we do? Let's do crypto here. This guy went down to 139 and Let's do XRP. How about if we do Maxi? Maxi futures went down to 118. So almost $1, basically. Yeah. Pretty crazy. A lot of our longs got demolished, basically. In my opinion, XRP will be at least $5 by December 1st. That'll be amazing, man. They know what's coming and they're trying to move quietly while we are all distracted. I was able to buy $100 worth of XRP at 146 during the crash. Right? No way, really? It was 160 when I bought it, but it dropped. So, oh, that's so cool. Congrats, Big Lenny. My man, well done. It's happened to me before. It's happened to me before when I'm closing a long. Let's say I close it at 160, right? I'm like, let's go. I'm making money. But then it closes at 165, 164 because it moves so fast. Yeah, which is better because you make more money. That's really nice. That's great. That just seems so scammy of finance after seeing the price. It's just tough, man. My husband, Crypto Prince, got to me. Will got me watching you, Ellis. What's up, Duchess? Really happy to see you. Welcome. You can follow us on X too. Links down below. You can find me on X. Very easy. Oscar Ramos. I'm there. I mean, I talk about a lot of things. We can talk about money, how much money, we're buying and cryptos. Yeah, that's good. I mean, we do that all the time. We do that every day. But I also like to have some conversation just honestly just about perspective and the general consensus of crypto, right? I think it helps a lot of people and, well, the numbers keep going up. So I know I'm not just wasting my time. What's up, TJ in the house? Good to see you, brother. Oscar, don't make money trading on leverage. You can make money trading on leverage. If you don't make money trading on leverage, then you gotta get better at trading on trading on leverage. That's kind of what it is. Because I have to flip it on you guys because some of you have this victim mentality of if I do leverage, I'm gonna lose. Imagine that's the weirdest and stupidest comment ever. Like, I'm gonna open a leverage and I'm gonna lose, so that's why I don't do leverage. What are you talking about, man? You open a position, a long. If you're fully convinced, you open a short. If you're fully convinced, nobody's forcing you to do leverage. Nobody's forcing you to. You don't want to do that, just go spot. No shame in that. Do spot. Can't believe it, man. It doesn't infuriate me or whatever. I mean, it's your money. You do whatever you want, but you cannot go around and tell people, don't do leverage, don't do leverage. Some of my greatest plays in crypto in the last 5 years, it's because of leverage. I made thousands of dollars because of leverage. It's awesome doing leverage. Awesome. If you get liquidated, you learn and you keep up. You just move on. Move on. I mean, you don't take your life. You don't do something stupid when you lose. And some people win, some people lose. That's it. This generation, man, this generation is so crystal clear, man. I mean, they gotta wake up. What month do you think XRP will peak this bull cycle, in your opinion? Honestly, it's not about. It's really not that much about what month. It's about when the obstacles come down, the barriers come down. That's when we're gonna just explode. Doesn't have to be January, March, February, April. Just when the barriers come down, we just send. We just send. Told my cat to buy the dip, and that's crazy. I have Solana on standby for the next heavy. Nice, bro. Love it. Are you buying Wolfie? No, I'm not buying that, right? I made some money with that, but not anymore. What's that, Crypto Prince in the house? Mike in the house. Let's go. Just don't over leverage, of course. Like, I imagine doing leverage with 100% or 80% or 50% of your portfolio. That is so stupid. I mean, that's just so many boundaries and levels that people need to understand. For like, I'll give you the example of the Dogecoin millionaire, right? We go back to 2020, 5 years ago. The guy didn't know anything about crypto, went all in on Dogecoin, maxed out credit cards, sold everything. He made millions on paper. Andre, Graham, meet Kevin. Everyone was telling, sell, sell, make the money and sell. The guy didn't sell. It was the biggest story in 2020, 2021. The biggest story, guys. The guy lost $3 million waiting on $1 Doge. So why am I saying that? Well, because you have to realize that it all comes with risk, leverage, spot trading, going all in. It's a decision you make, but I think you have to understand that if you have some cash and profit, take it. Somebody else will. Lessons to be made. Michael, you're talking about people buying XRP. We are waiting for the banks. Let's be honest, people buying it was never going to make it go up. ATFs and adoption is so what we're talking about. Mike, the price is still going to go up. It's just that right now people are distracted with all the macro and all the nonsense going around. Just let the shutdown come down. Just let the SEC get approvals. And, I think we won't really need good news to pump. It's just going to come very naturally. It's going to come very naturally. The pump is just going to happen. And then they're going to see that, and it's just going to be a snowball, ripple effect. Gerardo says, I love spot, buy and hold like Warren Buffett. Yeah, I mean, if you want that, do it. Yeah, meet Kevin. He was there. He was there. But Jay Claver said he will hit. I mean, Jay Claver is a great guy. I mean, as far as so many different things, he's already a professional made. I have watched his videos, shorts, because they're everywhere, right? And when you put a deadline on a price, we all do it. I've done it before. But it's more for really sometimes sense of urgency for people to get up and learn our content and crypto. Nobody knows really when the price is going to come and just balloon. Nobody knew that when Trump won November 5th, that the price was going to rally so fast, so hard, so explosive before he actually became president, right? Again. So that's the beauty of life and crypto. You just don't know. You just have to be ready. You just have to be ready, guys. You have to be ready. Right now, things don't look the greatest. Guess what? Let's play that things go really well. Shutdown over by the end of the week. Not this one, next one. The SEC starts approving like hot pancakes. For some reason, Powell leaves earlier. We don't have many problems with the wars and the trade tariffs. And there's the Clarity Act approved, signed into law. And at that moment, altcoin season begins. Boom. There it is. Oh, then after all of that, you want to buy XRP. Guess what? Do you think the price of XRP is going to be 252 when all of that I said occurs? Yes or no? I'm going to say it again. Do you actually believe price of XRP will stand at 252 exactly after everything I said occurs. What kind of brainwash is that? No, it will be lower. The answer is it's going to be much higher, guys. I just love my community, bro. You really go ahead and hit me with those um sarcastic comments. I love you, fam. It's gonna be much higher, guys. Way higher. Might be 350 or so, 350, 390 or so. Yeah, I'm not kidding. There might be some sell the news events, but it's still gonna pump. It's still gonna pump. That's the way I see it. That's the way I see it. You think it's still gonna be at 252? Why would it be at 252? Why? Makes no sense. Evernorth, $1 billion into XRP, like, but keep calling it a scam. Keep funding it. Keep funding it if you want. We'll continue eating it. We'll continue buying it. We'll continue holding it, right? The people that are going to make the most money, who are they? The people trading. How? People opening 20, 50, 100x positions on XRP where they consider it healthy. It's a very big risk. But guess who's going to be showing off those 1,000%, 50% ghost? All my traders, my admins, because they do it all the time. And you. And that is the best feeling ever. When you call it right. When you're like, I was right. I knew it. And you're cooking and eating like a king, like a champ. Because it takes us holders tens of thousands of dollars, of hundreds of thousands of dollars to make what you're making. Just because you're doing trading. So just decide, right, which one. What's up, Brave Soul? Will just continue to hold. If it did more, then I will buy more. Dangerous Dave, what's up, brother? Welcome. Retail won't buy at 252. They will buy at 10. Dangerous Dave, don't say too many. I mean, that's so much truth for tonight. They're not going to handle it, bro. They're going to hate you too. So just, are you okay with the hate? If you are, join it. One Lambo. I know, right? How much do you get liquidated the other week? 0. 0, my friend. Like I've said many times during the month of October, I am, Oscar is doing a stream, XRP about to drop. Oliver, I love you, bro. Right now, I'm just, accumulating positions. When I decide to go on a long, I'll tell you for sure. But I mean, just depends, if I feel like it. Sometimes I'm too busy. There's so many videos I gotta, do or so. I mean, it just depends. What's up, RS? XRP is gonna go crazy. Most crypto bros have no idea what crypto was introduced. So funny to watch. We're making money. Thank you for helping us buy more crypto. What happened to Pumptober? Oh, it's still here, bro. But it's 2026. You didn't get the memo? 2026 Pumptober, guys. I thought you knew. Just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. Imagine, bro. Yo, there you are, brother. Something pumped 50% today. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, bro. We had red Octobers in the past that led to massive returns through January. 100%. We're not leaving, guys. Oh, by the way, they're talking that Mexi is going to go insolvent or it's going to go bankrupt. I I think Mexi is fine. I don't use it, by the way. I don't use Mexi, but just FYI. Just FYI. Guys, are you actually ready for this? To see some big, big, big pumps. I am. I am. What is this? Massive crash beginning. Millions will be wiped out. Protect yourself. Silver, gold, Bitcoin, Ethereum investors will protect you. Take care. Okay, Bob, let's get you back to the home now. Man, they're really trying to scare people today. Like, what? Oh, what is this? Just got a warning from YouTube where XRP content girl being targeted. Ooh, my friend. Let me see that your title. Forbes confirms Ripple pumping 100. Oh, dude, yeah, of course, bro. Come on. That's a title. You're gonna get flagged with that title, bro. I could have told you, man. I hope that you're fine. I'll see if I can help him. That's not a good title because, yeah, I think just for when you're yeah, I mean, we already had. Oh, guys, what in the world is this? I was like, what's the CA, bro? I posted. What's the CA? I mean, I cannot believe it, man. JD in the house. Guys, this is absolutely completely unrelated. And I just had to say it because it's so weird and you get it, fam. Everybody here is you are all adults. But I'm watching TikTok and the way Erica Kirk hugged him, it's what everybody's talking about. I'm like, no way, what's going on? As I'm about to sleep, I take a look at some TikToks or so. Bro, there's so many conspiracy theories right now with Usha and Erica. What is happening, man? There's nothing better to do now for MAGA people. What's going on? Are you able to teach us on how to leverage and trade? Of course. Yes. I'll do that from time to time, but to my members on Discord or so, we tell you we have an academy there, but absolutely. If you can, of course, send me a DM on X. I could send you some info, or right here, you have a question, just let us know. For sure. What's up, Hamed? Good to see you. November will be a nothing burger. Well, I'm asking you guys with over 1,000 votes. You are voting the best. A few of you is voting the worst. And many of you're voting the triple cheese nothing burger. I love that so much, man. I love that so much. TJ, Godstrud in the house. Godstrud, send me a DM on X, please. I need to get you on the Discord. Send me a DM on X, please. And make sure that you put that it's you, or just, I'll confirm that it's you, but just let me know, please. Please. What is your November price prediction, Oscar? Higher, $3 at minimum. We should see it soon, but we need, where is it? We need the shutdown over. Because everybody's distracted, bro. Everybody's distracted with the shutdown, bro. I mean, we're not penetrating. We got to penetrate, with people, retail audiences, and different outlets as far as crypto, and bring the conversation back. And nothing is going through with the shutdown right now. Nothing. I saw a YouTube video that Brad is going to take your own pouch job. No, it's not going to happen. Not going to happen. Oscar, I want to get CP, will a membership, but never done it. How do I do that? CP, what is CP? Duchess. What is CP? Sorry, bro. I'm blanking here. What's up, Jonathan in the house? Welcome. Thanks so much for your support. Thank you, TJ. Sit back, relax, and enjoy making millions. 100%. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Clickbait. Good to see you, bro. Thank you, man. Appreciate that a lot. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, that's funny, man. It's just funny, funny things. What is this? Solana says Ripple is not on the same level as it is. Huh? Is there any, and I mean any doubt that Ripple, the company, and XRP, the asset, are not on your level? Correct. Not on the same level. I mean, XRP is the third top MC. Solana is the fifth. So not on the same level. Yeah, there's many things and many ways on how to go about that. The latest conversation was with Elon Musk. Will be a good one to watch. 3 hours, not bad. 3 hours. Oh, this was so fun.
Happy Halloween, kids. And remember, say thank you.
Oh my. I mean, this is just next level, man. Oh, what is this? Oh, President Trump spotted dining at Mar-a-Lago with, that is Marco. He's chilling after the Asia trip. He's just chilling, fam, and he deserves that. He obviously, deserves that. That's pretty good. We love that. We love that. A lot of craziness right here too, guys, as expected. Oh, look, so fast. 47 minutes. I think time flies when you're having fun with the community, with the fam. As always, everybody, I remind you that we have an X page. You're more than welcome to follow us. Growing, pushing, pumping. The 3,000 XRP. Who is going to win it? One of you? Thank you. This is my last live video and everything on in the month of October. I want to say thank you. You saw me first day. I was dying in Singapore, right? Super sick. Super, super sick. But praise God, much better now. And just feels great. And we went through all these 31 days together, everybody. And no, I mean, I appreciate that a lot. And we're going to continue delivering what you deserve the best. Now, as we continue with a new one, you have a 2,000 for the month of November. 30 days, guys. 30 days to go. With that being said, everyone, take a look at the last comments here. Thank you, Oscar. Nice seeing you. Thank you, Jonathan. Hit the like for Oscar. He comes range and shine. CJ Smith, thank you, bro. Thank you for that. Milton in the house. Welcome. Good to see you. Can I go up? Get ready. I think so too, Kiki. I think so too. Why not? I think so too. We got a disruptor, Blake, but our friend Dangerous Dave handled it masterfully. So that was nice. Oscar, what did Powell say about that the Fed was doing December 1st? QT, quantitative tightening, that is going to end in December 1st. So that's bullish, but we don't know if we're going to get a cut for the December FOMC meeting. Got it. Thank you, Prince. Appreciate that a lot. Swell, Mike. We got Swell too. Yes, that should be fun. I'm not going to go because honestly, just want to stay home, but I'm not really looking to travel much. I'm going to go to Washington, as some of you know, but that's going to be relax. Guys, please tell me we're not going to be shut down until the end of November. I don't think so, honestly. I think just the first week, it's going to pass and become the longest shutdown, and then they're going to fix it pretty easily. So I hope, right, of course. Well, guys, thank you so much for coming to the space. Thank you to all my admins. I see you, TJ, Ghost, and everybody else on Telegram, on Discord. But yeah, I just gave you my thoughts about this month, what we're expecting for November, and day at a time, right? Asia, it's now on you. You're open, Asia. You're open for business. It's Saturday. I mean, for crypto, never closes, so we'll see. But enjoy the weekend, guys. May God bless you all. Please stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Peace. Let's go. Closing the poll. The best in a triple cheese nothing burger. Take it easy, everybody. Have a good one.